Marahay na banggi mga kasurog, good evening basketball fans. Nagbabalik ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur, hatid sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurog pa. And we welcome you all sa ating Bigatin quarterfinals dito sa San Fernando Covered Court. And para sa unang laro natin ngayong gabi, ang labanang Del Gallego versus the powerhouse Iriga City. At syempre partner, bago ko makalimutan, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga pala, ang si John Batcheller, ang inyong play-by-play analyst at your service.
Yes, partner. And also, good afternoon, partner. I'm Coach Paul Sepe, ang inyong magiging basketball analyst ngayong gabi, partner.
Yes, partner. This is indeed a very good matchup despite yung numbers lamang na lamang ang Iriga. Pero siyempre, sabi nga natin, bilog ang bola. Kaya alam naman natin na this Del Gallego squad is the number 1 sa kanilang brackets. And siyempre, partner,
yes,
sa tingin mo, on the other hand, para sa Del Gallego, ano ang mga adjustments and game plans na pwedeng gawin nila in order for them to beat this powerhouse Iriga City?
Yes, partner. For Team Del Gallego, partner, there's nothing to be shame about on that first loss. Unang loss pa lang yun sa quarterfinals. They should maintain their composure pa rin, stick to their system kung ano man. Sabi nga natin, yung Team Del Gallego is an unbeaten team in that elimination also. So siguro maganda yung preparasyon nila during that elimination. So they should maintain their composure and play well in this coming game.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, composure is the key para sa winning, para sa Team Gallego. Partner, this is indeed a very unpredictable match. Pero di natin makukumpleto ang ating panel kung wala ang ating magandang courtside reporter na si Cassandra para kapanayamin ang ating mga coaches on the side of Del Gallego, si Coach Ben Genilio. Alam naman natin yung preparations ng Del Gallego talaga during the elimination round. They are na number 1 sa kanilang district. Kaya alam ko na come second round talaga pagbubutihin at pag-iigihan ng mga coaches and siyempre yung mga players dito sa ating second round. And on the other hand,
yes, partner. So Team Iriga, this is their first game coming from the elimination, partner. So eto nga, sabi nga natin, this is a very experienced team with a very experienced coach, partner, in the name of Coach Ray Iraula. So partner, and also this is a championship caliber team. So Team Del Gallego should watch out for their experience and their physicality inside the court. Pero partner, yun nga, sabihin nga natin malalaki, pero partner, bilog ang bola. Minsan yung mga underdog, sila pa yung nananalo. So nothing to be shame about. A game is a game. So laruin lang nila ang larong ito for Team Del Gallego. And also, puntahan na natin si Cassandra kasama ang ating mga coaches. Cassandra, take it away.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog, bringing you the latest news and updates from the courtside. This is Cassandra Seton, one of the courtside reporters here in Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. For our first game tonight, we will be witnessing Team Del Gallego versus Team Iriga. And now we are honored to have the opportunity to speak with one of the coaching staffs of both teams. Let's see and listen to how they prepare for tonight's matchup. Let's start first with Team Iriga since this is their first game for the quarterfinals. Coach, magandang gabi po. What are your changes and preparations considering na we are in the quarterfinals already?
Bali yung changes na ginawa namin ng Team Iriga, more on nag-focus kami sa defense at yung conditioning ng bawat isang player. Para kakaiba kasi to kasi this is quarterfinals, kailangan maging preparado talaga ang Team Iriga dito sa Ako Bicol. Kasi ang kalaban namin hindi kumbaga lahat kami may preparation para sa both teams. Kaya ang ginawa lang namin, condition, preparation sa team. Sana although both sa amin walang mangyaring masama at maging healthy lahat ang players namin. Yun lang po.
Ayan, thank you very much, Coach. How about Team Del Gallego? This is their second game already. Coach, magandang gabi po. How was your first game po ba? And ano po bang magiging changes or adjustment ang gagawin nyo from the result of your last game?
Magandang gabi sa lahat, lalo na ang mga taga-subaybay ng Ako Bicol. Talagang napakaganda po ng ating palaro. Sa amin po kasi last game namin ay hindi kami pinalad. Then sa kasamaang palad, ngayon bali siguro ilan lang yung mga players ko ngayon kasi nagkaroon ng mga injuries sila. hindi inaasahan na mangyayari mga bagay na yun. But anyway, andito kami para ipakita pa rin yung talento ng skill sa basketball para kahit po paano ay maitawid din namin kung sakali mang pala rin. At sabi nga ng kasabihan, bilog daw ang bola. Pero talaga namang inaamin namin talagang underdog talaga kami sa hapong ito, palaro namin ito.
Ayan, thank you very much, coaches, for sharing with us your changes and preparations for this game. There is still more to know, kaya naman keep yourself updated. We are currently live at our social media platforms at Kong Zaldico page at page ng Ako Bicol Party List, and we encourage you to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok via Ako Bicol Cup. That's the latest update. Back to you, Coach Paul and Coach John.
Maraming salamat, Cassandra, sa updates and insights ng both teams. Yun na nga, partner, sinasabi nila, despite sa kulang sa players, ang Team Del Gallego, they showed up here. Yung kumbaga, doon pa lang, a very kudos gesture na pinakita nila. And syempre, on the Iriga side talaga, this is a powerhouse team. And syempre, partner, meron tayong kasurog matchup, featured matchup for tonight's game para sa mga noticeable players ng Del Gallego and Iriga.
Yes, partner. So ayun na nga, partner. Dalawang pangalan ang lumitaw sa ating team ngayon for Team Del Gallego. We have Christian Jamel Legaspi. We call him the gunner, no? Kasi very much shooter siya. He averaged 50% average and the 2-point average. Also, ito yung nakakapagtaka dito, partner. Last game, 100% siya sa free throw line.
Grabe,
Wala
partner.
siyang minintis. And also to help his team, but they came up short against that game sa San Fernando, but he scores 17 points average niya per game, partner. And also
Napakalaki.
at the other side, partner, we have the beast Jason Orada, a very big, very strong big man of Team Iriga, who is grabe talaga yung pinapakita niya inside the paint with that 62% average, partner. And also sa 3 points, tumitira din ng 3 points kahit malaki, 33%. And also yung rebounding talaga niya is nandyan, and yung assist. And also he contributes a 19.2 points per game sa kanyang team, partner, sa Iriga. So ayan na nga, partner, ng ating mga matchup. So wag na nating patagalin to. Simulan na natin ang ating mga bigatin, partner. Partner, pupuntahan pa natin yung stats ng ating mga team, partner.
Yes, on the part of Del Gallego, averaging nila para sa team stats is 53%. Kanilang field goal percentage, very kumbaga, napaka-decent na kanilang field goal percentage. And what stands out most is yung assist department ng Team Del Gallego. They garnered 14, average of 14 sa kanilang assist. In the part of Iriga, yung napakalaking 41% nila sa 3-point field goals. And syempre, indeed, this will be a very good matchup for tonight's game. And syempre, ayan, partner, wag na natin patagalin pa. Bigay na natin sa ating arena announcer na si Sir JV Salvidar sa ating laro.
Marhay na mga kasurog! This is your day 38 of Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Saligo at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa! Let's first start. Gaspi! And This is your Ako Bigukop Kama Renisur, Akito!
And once again kami nagbabalik sa labanang Del Gallego versus the powerhouse Iriga City. Yun partner, magandang gabi sa iyo. Again, ako si John Batchiliar kasama ang aking partner.
Yes, partner. Good day. Magandang gabi din, partner. I'm Coach Paul Sepe. I will be your basketball analyst in this game. Yun lang nga, partner. Mga bigatin, laban ng Del Gallego versus Iriga, partner.
Tama ka dyan partner, indeed. Talaga this is a bigatin matchup despite sa kulang ng tao ang Del Gallego. Pero alam naman natin, unang buslo napunta sa mga taga-team Del Gallego.
Yes, partner. So, Del Gallego, nakikita nga natin, partner, dito, very outnumbered sila. I think may isa lang silang pampalit sa bench. Pero I think lalaban pa rin tong Del Gallego team na to.
For sure, tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang lalaban kasi lahat ng mga nakakatapat ng Iriga, very inspired. And kumbaga, as we take a look sa layup ni Jason Orada but misses the shot. Ayan si Marquez with the offensive rebound and gives the pass to Jason Orada for 2.
Yun, partner. So, nakikita na natin ang contribution again ni Jason Orada. Sabi nga natin, partner, this is one notable players for Team Iriga. This is Jason Orada, the beast, who averages 19.2 points per game, partner.
Ayan, tama na yan. Si Cueto against Jason Orada. Binigay kay Legaspi for 3. Kaboom! Yun ang partner. Talaga during the last outing, I've covered the games nitong si Legaspi. Talagang he is draining threes everywhere sa ating laro.
Yes, partner. So, yun nga, very impressive, partner, yung pinakita niya doon sa first game nila against San Fernando. So, for sure, this game, talagang maipapakita pa tong batang to, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. With 8 minutes and 44 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto. Lamang ang Del Gallego, 5-4. Ayan na si Marquez instructing his teammates. Marquez may pick, binigay si Orada. Kicks it out to Dagi Olea for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Laudit with the rebound.
So nakita mo yung partner, Marquez directing the play. Yung shooter nila, si Dagi Olea, talagang pinapapunta niya sa corner. Talagang titira at titira ng 3 points yan kasi shooter niya.
Yes, ayan na partner. Legaspi gives the ball to Legaspi. Magkano-ano kayo itong dalawang to. Ayan na si Legaspi against the pesky defender na si Hermoso. And I guess natawagan ng foul si Ambert Hermoso. And yan ang unang foul sa ating laro. And partner, good size crowd on the part of, despite sa first game na wala pa ang ating home team na San Fernando, marami na nanonood kasi alam naman natin nandito ang one of the pillars, kumbaga ito yung isa sa mga mekas ng basketball sa Camarines Sur, which is the Iriga City.
Yes, partner. So Iriga City is a very good team. They are champion caliber. Lagi pag sumasali sila sa mga tournaments, talagang they give it all. So this Iriga team is a very experienced team when it comes to basketball, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Speaking of experience, ayan na ang isa sa mga veteran na si Dagi Olea, stops for 3 and he was stripped by Glory. Ayan na si Laudit is all alone and finishing for 2.
Yan na, partner, ang sinasabi ko, partner, kanina. Dapat maintain pa rin yung composure. Yan ang pinapakita ng team Del Gallego ngayon. Kahit outnumbered sila, talagang they are fighting.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Yan sabi ni Dagi Olea. And this is my team. And syempre, kailangan kong buhatin and magpakita. Tama ka dyan, partner. As a coach, partner, alam naman natin na talaga minsan pag outnumbered, medyo nagre-relax yung powerhouse team. Kaya tingnan natin, kaya ngayon nakikita natin na dikit at talagang neck to neck ang labanang ng first quarter.
Yes, partner. Ganun talaga minsan, partner, ang nangyayari. Once na nakita ng kabilang team na medyo outnumbered and siguro ay naamin na ng kabilang team na talo na kami. Pero yan ang pinaka-deadly, partner.
Yes.
Minsan baka pinapakita lang sa inyo na ganito kami, pero yan, ang puso ng mga batang to hindi natin matatawaran. So dapat maging aggressive pa rin tong Team Iriga, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Speaking of aggressive, ayan na talaga si Legaspi. Crosses over Hermoso and misses the 3-point shot. Laudit grabs the offensive rebound and shoots for 3 but misses the shot. Ayan na ang boxing out na si Monster na si Raton. Gives the ball to Orada against Laudit. Dinahandahan na yung score ng 2 puntos. Grabe yung partner. Sino ang sasalubong sa isang Jason Orada?
With that bulky body, partner, talagang the beast talaga ang tawag natin kay Jason Orada dito sa IKV, partner.
Yan, What a defensive stop on the part of Gallego. Ayan na si Cueto against Raton. Bumps, kicks it out to Laudit for 3. Misses the shot again. Ayan na. Marquez grabs the rebound but intercepted by Glory. Pero he did not regain the possession. So ang bola mapupunta sa ating Iriga City.
Yes, partner. So this team Iriga is a very loaded team with that lineup, partner. So makikita natin ang mga naging player ng NBL, ng mga pros, and also some of this yung kanilang guest player played for the MPBL. So talaga this is a very loaded lineup.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, ayan na si Ambert steals the ball. And ayan na Olea and Orada nag-uunahan para sa 2 points. But Dagi Olea makes the easy layup.
So ayan, partner, ngayon Team Iriga getting some cushion dito sa larong ito. So siguro napansin na nila na dapat hindi tayo maging maging pabagal-bagal. So ayan na, with that the result again is ayan, may cushion na ang Team Iriga, partner.
Yes, partner. We have our first casualty. Tumawag ng timeout ang Team Del Gallego, partner. Partner, this is just the kalahati ng ating first quarter, pero nakakita na tayo ng flashes of what to expect sa ating laro. Kumbaga, the running game and the composure of Iriga is there sa larong ito.
Yes, partner. And also, partner, makikita mo the physicality. Kasi this Iriga team is a very big team. Talaga, they are physical when playing. Sabi nga natin, this is a champion caliber. So, hindi to basta-basta magbaback down. Kahit sino pa itapat mo sa kanila, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Nasa loob si Orada and si Raton. And partner, having a luxury na nasa bench ang kanilang guest player na si Bunyag, si Christian Bunyag.
Christian Bunyag.
Who played for a higher league sa ating bansa. And syempre, partner, meron pa tayong isa, Jomar Punsalan sa loob.
Yes.
And si AJ Perea. And this is Iriga for you, partner.
Yes, Iriga talaga. Ganito sila, partner. Loaded na loaded sila pag bumubuo ng team. So, sabi nga, walang tapon yung lineup, partner.
Tama
Even
ka,
yung pinakadulo.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. As we take a look, Marquez drains the 3. And si number Marquez shoots the 3. And magandang pasa galing sa number 14 na si Ivan Paul Cruz, who entered the ball game to replace Ambert Hermoso.
Also a very steady point guard. Cruz is one of also gives a breather to Ambert Hermoso, partner. So
Yan partner, tama ka dyan, partner. Yan nga, partner, yung kanilang guest player na si Christian Bunyag is entering the ball game kasama ang high-flying na si Verman Magpantay.
So ayan na nga, partner, pag linabas yung isa, same caliber or mas magaling pang player yung pinapasok nitong Team Iriga na to.
Yan, partner, yan ang magandang problema, yan sinasabi, magandang problema ng coach ng Iriga City. Ayan na si Legaspi against Magbantay. What a behind the back dribble, kaso naagaw ni Cruz. Ayan na si Jason Orada powering his way for 2 again.
Again, unti-unti na nagpipick up itong laro natin. The face is really getting high, partner. So ayan na ang Team Del Gallego.
Ayan na, si Glory drains the 3 but misses the shot. Orada grabs the rebound, gives the ball to Marquez, outlets to Bunyag, but nabitawan at natapik ang bola, and the ball possession will remain sa ating mga naka-blue shirts. And partner pala, sa ating mga late tuners, ang Iriga City is donning the blue jerseys, and yung Team Del Gallego naman is wearing the white and green shorts. And after that sequence talaga, nakanakaw ang Team Iriga sa sequence na yun. Legaspi with the short stab, misses the shot. Yan na si Bunyag with the one-handed rebound. Marquez outlets to Cruz, gives the ball to Orada, drops it up to Magpantay, blocked by Cueto. Good defense on the part of Cueto. Cueto attacking Marquez, misses the shot. Marquez grabs the rebound. Magpantay stops, pops for 3. Kaboom!
Grabe, partner. Talaga itong mga players ng Iriga, kahit ang haba, malalaki, may mga shooting to sa labas. So, Team Del Gallego should respect that, partner. So, dyan sila kakainin itong Team Iriga na to.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And dyan, kita mo naman, yung Marquez is a big man with a dribble, and that is Jason Orada for you. Grabe naman yun, partner. As early as first quarter, Jason Norada is imposing his will inside the paint.
That's too much for Legaspi, partner. Ang laki. Kaya hindi natin tatawaging the beast yan kung hindi talaga malakas sa ilalim yan si Jason Orada. This also, Jason Orada is a notable player for Iriga, played for a lot of tournaments and also for the national tournament. So talaga, this is a very experienced player na rin, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner, but misses the first. And ayan na, after missing those free throws, talagang he got the offensive rebound and steals the ball sa Del Gallego.
So ayan lang nga, partner, unti-unti nang lumalayo ang Team Iriga dito, partner. So with a 9 and 25 score in this first quarter.
And with that, nagkaroon ng foul si Ivan Paul Cruz. And syempre, ayan na, partner, isa sa mga speedsters who played for Ako Bicol Cup, Albay Leg, who serves na guest player para sa Ligao City na si Jock Bellarmino.
Okay, so pinalitan niya doon si Orada, one also of the players ng Ligao in that Ako Bicol Legaspi Leg, partner.
And partner, grabe, announcing his presence inside is a lefty layup galing kay Jock Bellarmino.
Napakabilis na player talaga nito, din Jock. So yan ang dapat i-watch out ng Team Del Gallego. Talagang pag nakuha ng Team Iriga yung bola na yan, talagang ipupush forward nila yan.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And I like the attitude of Jock Bellarmino. He is smiling all over the court. And syempre, yun na naman ang maganda. Just to enjoy. And yan na, kita natin si Marquez with the easy 2 points galing sa pasa kay Jock Bellarmino.
That's the beauty of that primary offense for Team Iriga. Talagang they are sharing the ball, pushing the ball. So yun, halos wala ka, partner, nakitang dribble doon.
Oh,
And
tama
they take the basket easily.
And another veteran coming off the bench para sa Iriga City is Jason Perea, who I've noticed, ayan na, so take a look, Bellarmino steals the ball. Kay Legaspi, mabalik tayo, partner, kay AJ Perea na who is coming off the bench, partner, grabe. And I've noticed he can play multiple positions from 1, 2, 3, and 4. And siguro in other teams he can play number 5.
Yes, partner. Ito si AJ Perea, naging player ko to, partner. So, tama yung sinasabi mo. Kahit 1 to 5 position, he can play that position for this guy, AJ Perea.
Kumbaga, this is stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kumbaga, sa kidding aside. Pero yan na naman. Si Cruz gives the ball to Bunyag and scores for 2. Grabe, partner. This is a whopping 32. 32-point lead on the part of Iriga City. And we have a foul. Napatawan na lang si Jock Bellarmino who got his second personal foul. But still, we have 1 minute and 17 seconds, partner, sa ating laro. Siyempre, itong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur ay atid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List and ni Congressman Saldico, katabang na, kasurog pa. And siyempre, partner, kung wala kayong gagawin sa ating sa inyong mga bahay after magsimba, malapit yung simbahan dito sa ating covered court sa San Fernando covered court, punta sila dito para manood, ma-witness ang laro ng Ako Bicol Cup. Siyempre, mamaya sa ating second game, meron tayong laban ng Kamalikan, ang powerhouse team, isang powerhouse team ng Kamalikan versus the home team, San Fernando.
Yes, partner. So you're very much welcome here, mga kasurog sa San Fernando covered court. And also, pag hindi naman sila makapunta, partner, we have our social media sites. Pwede nilang doon sila manood ng live, partner, because we are live at Representative Saldico page and also sa Ako Bicol page, partner. So, ang daming avenue para mapanood nila itong Ako Bicol Cup, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. As magpantayin, raise the 3. Grabe naman itong partner talaga. Yung power, meron na pinapakita ang Iriga City na si Legaspi, hinaharas ni Magpantay, gives the ball to Glory, swings the ball to number 12 na si Motos Jeffrey. And with a short stop, Mintes Magpantay grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Magpantay, outlets to Bellarmino, lobs it up to Bunyag for 2.
Maganda talaga yung primary offense itong Iriga. They're sharing the ball. Pag may nasa unahan na, pinupush forward na nila yan.
Kita mo yung sequence, partner. This Legaspi is enjoying yung pressure, pero talaga after makaligtas sa crossover and between the legs yung dribble, pero nakakasalubong ka ng isang 6'5", 6'6" na si Christian Bunyag. Talaga magdadalawang isip ka tumira.
And also partner, tingnan mo tong depensa ng Team Iriga. Talagang they are pressing pa rin.
And tama na, with 2 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. And that ends our first quarter, ladies and gentlemen. This is a one-sided ball game in first quarter with a score of 38-13 in favor of Iriga City. Partner, thoughts sa ating nakaraang first quarter?
Yes, partner. So ayan, nakita na natin yung dominance, partner, nitong Team Iriga, itong experience and itong laki ng Team Iriga compared to this Del Gallego team. So ayan na nga, sinabi nga ng coach nila kanina, we're sorry for the team because of the injuries of the players, pero they should play pa rin for this game. Also, kudos to them kasi they're not backing up. Talaga, they're keep on attacking, pero talagang mas maganda yung pinapakitang depensa nitong Team Iriga and yung primary offense, partner. Once na nakuha nila yung bola, may tao sa unahan, they are pushing that ball. They are not hesitating. Also, they are pressing pa rin. So, this is also to give respect to Team Del Gallego, partner, kasi yan, dyan sila matututo, partner, sa mga larong ganito.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, every loss is not, kumbaga, hindi naman masama ang lahat ng talo kasi you've learned for that experience. And partner, para sa ating mga leading scorers sa nakaraang first quarter, grabe, ito na. Para sa Iriga City, si Jason Orada with 14 big points sa ating first quarter. And on Team Del Gallego, si Christian Legaspi with 3 points and 2 rebounds sa ating laro. Ayan nga, partner, ang pinag-uusapan natin. Kakapasok lang na si Tres Reyes, who is a magic bunot na sabi mo. Ayan na, Tres Reyes is very ready. Tres Reyes, outlet. So yan si Jomar Punsalan attacking but misses the shot. Tres Reyes. Ayan na.
Yes, partner. Ito si Gio Tres Reyes, partner, isa sa igniter din, coming off the bench. So talaga, ito pag sinabihan siya na dumipensa, depensa, and talaga ginagawa niya yung mga intangible sa loob ng court.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And that pass is brought to you by Misibis Bay. And ito, 3-point plate opportunity para kay AJ Perea. And that shot was brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands. And AJ Perea has a chance to complete his 3-point play.
Yes, partner. So napakagandang galaw doon ni AJ Perea. Again, nakikita natin sa Team Iriga, talagang they are pressing, they are moving the ball, they are sharing the ball. So tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustment nito ni Coach Ben dito sa second quarter, partner.
Ayan na, AJ Perea misses the bonus free throw. Ayan na, si Glory crossing the half-court line against the much taller AJ Perea. Ayan na si number 10 na si Cueto, hindi niya nakita na open. Ayan na si Motos against Bunyag. Grabe ng partner yung tapang ng isang Motos. Ayan na si Vernan. Vernan regains his position and scores 4-2. Grabe, partner, akala ko makakakita na tayo ng isang slam dunk galing kay Pagpantay, but nevertheless, it's 2 points. Ayan na si Glory, top of the key 3, Mentis. Yun na nga, partner, medyo yung body language ng Team Del Gallego medyo hindi maganda. Dahil nga lamang na ang Iriga City ng 13 kontra 42.
Yes, partner. Pero partner, dapat wag sila maging out of focus pa rin dito. Kahit ganyan nangyayari, laban lang. And that 3 points, partner, is brought to us by Hotel Ellis, partner, St. Ellis, partner.
Ayan na Legaspi, heavily guarded by Tres Reyes. Ayan na si Legaspi behind the back dribble. Ginugulo pa rin Tres Reyes. Grabe yung depensa na pinapakita. Ayan na, Cueto against Punsalan for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na. And
nakita mo naman, partner, yung vertical leap ng Berman magpantay. Naunahan na siyang tumalon. Inabot niya pa rin.
and partner, ayan partner ang ating butihing
Yes,
mayor ng Iriga City na si Mayor Lex Oliva.
Lex Oliva, partner. So,
Watching and
welcome
supporting
po.
this game. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Mayor.
Okay, so Mayor Rex Oliva, welcome to San Fernando, Mayor. So supporting talaga ito si Mayor Rex, talaga napaka-supportive nito when it comes sa Team Iriga, partner.
Yeah, tama ka dyan. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta, Mayor. And syempre, after na pinakita natin si Mayor, nagpakitang gilas ang kanilang guard na si Tres Reyes. Draining again, 8-3. Kumbaga, pangalawang 3 points niya na.
Yes, partner. So sabi nga natin, coming off the bench pero napaka-quality player nitong si Gio Tres Reyes for Team Iriga.
Ayan na. Pereira drops it up to Bunyag. And partner, this is a 35-point lead. Ayan na si Cueto attacking the defense of Iriga. Ayan na, Punsalan bringing down the ball. Gives the ball to Tino. Ayan na, Tres Reyes again for 3. No good. Nakuha. And out of bounds, the ball will go to Tima Del Gallego.
Okay, partner. Oh, good look pa rin yun, partner. If you're a coach, you'll be happy pa rin. That's an open shot. So wala tayong magagawa, hindi lang pumasok for Gio Tres Reyes.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kumbaga, that is good sign pa rin on the part of Iriga. Ayan na si Punsalan, grabs the rebound. Outlets to Bunyag. Bunyag stretches and scores 4-2. Grabe, partner. Ang haba ng isang Christian Bunyag. And partner, with 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter, lamang ang Iriga, 52-13. And Legaspi against Tres Reyes, and he was fouled by Christian Bunyag.
So partner, so makikita natin sa last sequence na yun, good recognition on the player of Del Gallego to seal Gio Tres Reyes. Nakita niya medyo maliit sa kanya, sa kaya tinake na yung opportunity niya yun to seal sa ilalim. So nakakuha siya ng foul sa sequence na yun.
Pero partner, napatawag again ng timeout ang Team Del Gallego. Siguro, this is a sign of fatigue na sa kanila kasi partner, underman nga sila. So kailangan nila magpahinga in order for them to regain their composure sa larong ito.
Yes, partner. So yun ang ginagawa siguro ni Coach Ben. Every pumatak yung minutes natin ng 5 to 6 minutes, talagang papahingahan niya yung player niya. Kasi kulang na kulang sila ngayong game na to against this powerhouse Iriga team.
And then partner, kumbaga, we are live here sa San Fernando Municipal Covered Court. Partner, baka isipin nila, this is for free partner. Hatid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List and ni Congressman Saldico. Libre to. Pwede kayo manood dito ng live. And syempre, mamaya, ang ating home team na San Fernando going up against the up and rising Kamaligan.
Yes, partner. For sure, mapupuno pa ang ating venue. Ngayon nga, talagang madami na ang tao. So mga gusto pong manood, punta na kayo dito sa San Fernando Covered Court.
Ayan na. Si Tino announcing his entry with that booming triple. Ayan na si Legaspi, crosses the half court. Ayan na naman si Tres Reyes, ginugulo ang mga guards ng Del Gallego. Tres Reyes, grabe yung defense ang pinapakita and forces a turnover, partner. Grabe naman ang defensive prowess isang Tres Reyes.
Yes, partner. Ganun talaga siya. Pag pinasok siya ni Coach Ray Iraula, talagang gugulo at guguluhin niya.
And partner, kita naman natin na nag-i-enjoy ang bench ng Iriga City talaga sa larong ito.
Sabi mo nga, partner, nilabas yung Jason Orada. May Jomar Punsalan pa pala. Itong Iriga na to.
Kaya tingnan natin kung ano magiging resulta. And I've known Jomar Punsalan since he was in Albay talaga. He is dominating there sa mga liga dyan. And syempre, nandito siya sa Iriga City to showcase his talent kung anong meron siya. Yan na si Pereira. Pereira drops it off to Tino with a reverse layup pero Mentes. Grabe, partner, gandang tira but misses the shot. Glory gives the ball to Legaspi. Ayan na si Legaspi, ginugulo ni Tino. Legaspi drains sa triple. Mentes rebound by Punsalan. Outlets to Tino. Ayan na si Tino. Kicks it out to Tres Reyes again with the corner three. Kaboom!
Grabe yung Gio Tres Reyes, partner. Talagang pag open siya, talagang he will take the shot. Ayan, ang makukulit na guards ng Iriga.
Ayan na, si Punsalan misses the gimme. But there is Pereira to the rescue. And humihingi ng foul si Jomar Punsalan, bata. Hindi binigyan ng ating mga gigiting na game officials. Ayan na si Motos against Tino. Crossing the half-court line. Ginugulo ng dalawang naka-blue shirts. Ayan na si Laudit. Challenging Jomar Punsalan. Grabe naman. Legaspi with the floater. Pasok yan. Grabe, partner, yung courage ng isang Laudit. of challenging Jomar Punsalan.
Yes, partner. So that's Jomar. So hinintay, nakascore siya para ma-stop yung bleeding. But again, ayun na naman yung Team Iriga with that primary offense.
Tama ka dyan, si Tino scores si second bucket. Ayun, partner. Again, partner, this is a good sign on the part of Iriga kasi yung mga seldom used players nila sa ating bench, nagagamit nila. And syempre, come sa mga susunod na laro na palakas ng palakas ang ating qualifiers, they are ready, kumbaga na ipasok at natikman na nila ang second round of basketball sa ating liga.
Yes, partner. So magbibigyan to ng mga confidence, partner, itong mga batang to. So this, like in the likes of Tino and also Tris Reyes kasi mga bata pa tong player na to.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And nakita natin, si Punsalan was blocked by Laudit. Grabe, partner, ang pinapakita na depensa ng isang Dexter Laudit. And meron tayong update para sa ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Cassandra. Cassandra, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Hi Coach Paul and Coach John. Kanina nga ayon sa head coach ng Team Del Gallego, malaking challenge ang larong ito sapagkat kulang ang mga players nila ngayon dahil nga sa mga sinapo nitong injuries sa mga nakaraang laro. Ngunit hindi naman sila pinanghihinaan ng loob kaya sila nandito para ipagpatuloy ang laban at magtiwala sa talento at galing ng mga players na nandito ngayon. Malayo na nga ang lamang ng Team Iriga dahil sa mga 3 points at layup na ginagawa ng mga players, pero habang may oras pa sinusubukang humabol ng Team Del Gallego. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
You know, maraming salamat, Cassandra. And that shot was grabe talaga. A fearless shot galing kay Laudit. Kumbaga quality minutes on the part of Dexter Laudit.
Yes, partner. So kala natin hindi pa pasok. Flinip niya lang yung tira na yun, but he went in. So again, give it to him. Talaga, that's 2 points.
Tama ka dyan, partner. That's a very courageous 2 points on the part of Dexter Laudit. Tingnan mo naman, partner, after that tall front line and backcourt kanina sa early part ng ating second quarter, ito na, pinasok na ulit niya ang kanilang napakalaking first five ni Coach Ray.
Yes, partner. So ito na yung talagang very experienced na yung nasa loob with that 5 players.
Ayan na si Laudit. Kumbaga boundary na, partner.
Yes, partner. So sabi nga, pag sa mga liga sa labas, pwede na umuwi.
Opo, ayan na. Pero sabi ni Jason Orada, hindi pa ako boundary. And yun na nga, Del Gallego commits another turnover. Partner, grabe naman yung dinadahan-dahan lang ni Jason Orada yung layup. And pagdating sa tapat ng ring, talaga parang isinusubo na lang sa ring.
Grabe, partner. Talaga itong katawan ni Jason Orada, talagang the beast talaga to. Ayan pa, isa partner, isang malaki
Yes,
na si
partner.
Jason Raton.
Si Raton talaga, grabe naman, partner. One of the defensive players ng Iriga City, talaga napakalaki and syempre powerful din sa ilalim. Ayan na si Motos against the much taller Raton. Yan, partner, ginugulo na parang guard. Ayan na, Laudit again, humihingi ng foul. Sabi niya, tinamaan sa kanyang shooting arm pero hindi nakita ng ating mga referees. And ang bola mapupunta sa Iriga City.
Yes, partner. So kung makikita natin itong defensive stops na ginagawa ng Iriga, they still playing man-to-man defense. Hindi sila nagba-back down to zone.
Ayan na, what a good cut on the part of Ambert Hermoso and a good find galing kay Raton. But he did not finish the layup pero he will troop to the line for 2.
Yung Team Del Gallego caught sleeping on that cut of Albert Hermoso. Also a notable player, partner, plays for Adamson University in his high school, played for Ateneo de Naga University. So ito talaga si Albert Hermoso, grabe yung experience na nito when it comes to basketball. And also mga nakabantayan nito like in the likes of Kiefer Ravena. So talaga, partner, makikita mo yung leadership na ipapakita nitong Albert Hermoso.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And I guess he played also sa higher league sa Manila. Representing Iriga City, I guess. And syempre, si Orada was blocked by Glory. Nagkatingin na ng konti. Pero Jason Orada was fouled in the act of shooting. And mapupunta sa ating charity stripe for 2 free throws. Ayan, partner, with just 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Lamang ang Iriga City with a score of 67-22.
So at the line is Jason Orada, the beast for Team Iriga. He averages partner 19.2 points per game dito sa ating AKB Cup in that elimination. So also sa free throw line, 54% partner si Jason Orada on the free throw line.
Yung partner as early as sa first half, Jason Orada is struggling sa ating free throw line. Misses 2 free throws. Pero yung possession mapupunta pa rin sa mga taga Team Iriga.
Second personal foul, penalty.
Ayun, penalty na partner itong
Yung
Team
partner,
Del Gallego.
napakasaklap na Del Gallego is under the penalty situation. And partner, tingnan mo partner sa ating game clock na Team Iriga City did not commit any fouls sa ngayong second quarter.
Yes, partner. Ganoon kaganda ang pinapakitang defense. Very honest but very pisky pa rin. Pero sabi nga natin, makukulitan ka lang.
Yes.
So yun ang pinapakita nitong Team Iriga.
Yes, partner, despite sa makukulit na ginagawa ng Iriga, hindi sila nagkukumit ng fouls. And speaking of makulit, ayan na si Laudit, who has been the bright spot sa ating quarter na ito para sa Team Del Gallego. Cueto uses the glass, misses the shot. And si Glory against Jason Orada, tiningnan pa si Jason Orada and finishes for 2.
Kenneth Glory.
Ayan na si Laudit again with the steal against Raton. And nakaapak sa ating linya. And ang bola mapupunta ulit sa mga taga Team Iriga with exactly 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Marquez with the rainbow shot and drains it. Grabe partner, very relaxed ang Marquez after that draining that 3 points. Ganun partner, napapansin ko after yung mga players after shooting the shot, parang ang tagal ibaba ng kamay partner.
Yes, partner. Yan ang tinatawag nilang partner na follow through, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan partner.
So, minsan kailangan din yan sa tira ng player.
Yes,
kasi
partner.
nakakatulong pa yan, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And that goes to show how disciplined and very scientific ang meron ang Iriga City team. Ayan na si Raton. Drains the free throw jumper basket pero nakita. Natawagan ng offensive foul or pushing foul. And medyo meron tayong konting kilitian on the part of Orada and Cueto.
Naglambingan lang, partner, sa ilalim.
Basket on Jason Rodon.
Yun na nga partner, Jason Orada apologizing sa kanyang kalaban na si Cueto. And partner, that is a good gesture on the part of Jason Orada talaga. Alam naman natin, this basketball is just a game. Pero alam naman natin, sabi nga nila partner, kalaro, hindi kalaban kumbaga.
Yes, partner. You can be physical but in the right way, partner.
Tama ka dyan. Speaking of physical, ayan si Jason Orada. Grabe, is leading the charge. Is leading the charge for Iriga City. And yun na nga partner, with 15 seconds remaining sa ating first half. This is a lopsided ball game but still, di natin alam kung anong mangyayari sa ating second half. So stay tuned pa rin tayo. Ayan na si Matos, binigay kay Glory with 12 seconds remaining. Ayan na si Motos. Ambert Marquez nangunguna pero natapik ni Glory. And ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Team Iriga with 5.2 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
Yes, partner. So tingnan natin ngayon ang gagawin nitong Team Iriga with that 5.2 seconds.
Ayan na si Raton. All alone for 3. Airballs it. Pero may natira tayong 1.7 seconds sa ating second quarter. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging gagawin ng Del Gallego sa ating last possession. Ayan na si Laudit again. Binato ang bola and muntik na makashoot, partner. And that ends our first quarter with the score of 24-76. A very powerful Iriga City. And partner, magbabalik po ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List. Nagpapasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
nga partner, kami nagbabalik sa ating second half of our ball game. Labanang Iriga City versus Team Del Gallego.
Yes, partner. So, ayun, pasadahan natin, partner, itong mga naging
leading
scorers natin nung first half, partner. For Team Iriga, we have Jason Orada with 20 points, partner. So, ganun lang, dinadahan-dahan lang ni Jason, partner. And also Tres Reyes with 9 points. And for Team Del Gallego, we have Dexter Laudit with 8 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 assists,
Yun
partner.
nga partner, tama ka dyan. Jason Orada powering his way sa first half. Pero surprisingly, itong si Tres Reyes coming off the bench with 3 triples. Ayan na si Glory rushing against this pesky Tres Reyes. Ayan na si Tres Reyes. Cueto attacking the defense of Iriga City. Cueto misses the shot but grabs his own rebound and scores for 2.
Again, partner, good note yun for the start of the second half. Talagang lumalaban pa itong Team Del Gallego dito sa Team Iriga, partner.
Ayun na nga partner, si Jock Bellarmino misses the corner 3. Ayan na si Laudit, gives the ball to Cueto. Cueto flies but misses the layup. Cueto against Bunyag. Blocked by Christian Bunyag. Ayan na si Bunyag, talaga nagdadala ng bola. And Jock Bellarmino with the lefty layup, it scores for 2.
Napakahaba, partner, nung Justin Bunyag. Talagang hinintay niya pa itong player ng Del Gallego na tumira at inabot niya pa sa taas.
Ayun na nga partner, kita ko si Coach Ray instructing si Tres Reyes na depensahan lang ang guard sa harap, huwag sa gilid. And yun na nga, he commits a personal foul na si Glory against Jock Bellarmino. Glory attacking, what a sidestep, partner. And scores for 2.
Napakagandang, sabi nga, tinatawag natin dito, partner, Pinoy step, binawi sa kabila, partner.
And what a shot, partner. From a Pinoy step to another Pinoy step.
Binawi sa kabila.
Grabe naman yun, partner. And for sure, isusulat ng ating napakapoging writer na yan na si Iris. Pasok sa ating top 10 kasurog plays of the week. Ayan na si Jock Bellarmino. Jock is rushing, flies, but misses the layup. Ayan na si Motos, ginuguli na magpantay. Motos and pinasa sa ating monitor para sa ating instant replay. Buti na lang at nandyan ang ating magiting na kaibigan na si Carl Belen para to the rescue sa ating monitor. Ayan na si Bunyag with the easy score.
Yan, partner. Ito talagang Iriga, they are just sharing the ball, finding the open man. So, at the other end, pagdating sa defense naman, they play man. Talagang ang kukulit nitong mga guards nitong Iriga.
Ayan na again, si Glory na walang takot, sagasaan ang isang 6'5" and center ng Iriga City. And because of that layup, nakakuha siya ng foul. And nandito siya sa ating free throw line para tumira ng 2 free throws. Partner, kung na-notice mo ang lineup ng Iriga City, tingnan mo yung meron silang 4 na guards compared sa isa lang na center. Kumbaga, they're here talaga siguro to pressure pa and to increase their lead.
Yes, partner. So yun na, they are setting 4 guards, partner, dito sa Team Iriga with Christian Bunyag, just the big man sa loob. So, mas magiging mabilis yung face nito, Team Iriga, for sure, partner.
Ayan na si Magpantay, pinasa sa kalaban. Ayan na si Glory. And steered. Grabe naman yung chase down block ni Magpantay. But there is the hustle ng Team Del Gallego grabbing those offensive rebounds and scoring.
Nakita mo yung vertical leap, partner.
Grabe, partner.
Kala mo hanggang dun lang. Pataas pa ng pataas eh. So, grabe to si Berman Magpantay.
Tama ka dyan, partner. One thing I remember sa kanya mga chase down block, syempre, LeBron James natin, and syempre kung sa mga medyo may edad ng mga players kagaya natin, kung maalala natin si Tayshaun Prince, yung sapal niya over kay Reggie Miller. Ayan na si Bunyag, 3 against 1, Bunyag, side steps, and scores for 2. Grabe, partner, a big man, pero very agile.
Very agile, very athletic din with that side step ni Christian Bunyag.
Ayan na si Glory, behind the back dribble. against Berman. Magpantay, gives the ball to Cueto. Cueto for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Laudit again. Shooting 2, misses the shot. Glory, offensive rebound. Was stopped by Jock Bellarmino. Ayan na, Cruz stops and pops for 3. Irons it, rebound di Laudit. Ayan na si Laudit, waiting for his teammates. Motos, ginugulo ng blue shirts. Ayan na, Bellarmino again. Drops it up to Tres Reyes, open for 3. No good. Rebound by Vernan Magpantay and scores for 2.
Yes, partner. So, Verman Magpantay never giving up on that play, partner, to get that offensive rebound. And siya pa yung nakapuntos. Galing pa sa baba yun.
And ayan na si Christian Bunyag. Naagaw ang bola. And dinadala ang bola. Ayan na si Bunyag. Attacking. Scores for 2. Grabe, partner. Ang haba.
Nagpo-point guard din, partner, si Christian Bunyag dito sa larong ito.
And partner, he is very, as I observed, very decent din yung kanyang ball handling. Kaya, speaking of ball handling, sabi ni Glory, kaya ko rin yan. And si Glory, binigay kay Cueto. But misses the gimme. Sayang, partner. That is intimidation on the part. Ayan na si Magpantay. Flies for 2. And partner, with just 5 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter, the score is 90-31. Lamang ang Iriga City. Grabe, partner. Meron na tayong 59-point lead, partner. Meron pa tayong isang quarter, partner.
Yes, partner. So, yun lang ang sinasabi natin. Talaga itong Iriga, hindi sila titigil. Kasi, ito, partner, gusto nila siguro magpakita dito or makita din ng iba na quarter finalist dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup na talaga they are team to beat, partner. So, itong Iriga, I know this team talagang hindi to titigil dito sa larong ito. For Team Del Gallego naman, partner, ang ginagawa nito ni Coach Ben, talagang pinapahingaan yung player niya by every 5 or 6 minute mark on the each quarter, partner. So yun ang napapansin natin.
Tama ka
kasi
dyan,
kulang nga sila ng
tama ka dyan, partner. Ayun na, linabas si Jock Bellarmino is very fast. Pinasok naman ang very stretch, kumbaga can play multiple positions na si Perea, partner. Tingnan mo ang lineup na meron ang Iriga City right now. Ang pinakamaliit, partner, I guess, si Jason Orada.
Yes, partner. This is a big lineup. So ngayon, partner, this is the good thing nito. Pag lamang na lamang ka, pwede kang mag-experiment, partner, dun sa lineup na gusto mo. So ngayon, ito ang ginagawa ni Coach Ray Iraula para siguro makita niya itong mga different lineup sa loob ng court. Kung sino yung kung ano magmamaterialize for them sa mga upcoming games nila, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayun na nga, partner. Tama ka. And especially to those players na seldom used talaga. This is the time for them na magpakita. Siyempre, para madagdagan ang kanilang mga minutes sa mga susunod na laro. And siyempre, yung composure coming sa mga susunod na laro talaga is very important sa team na ito.
Yes, partner. So makikita talaga natin, makikita mo sa faces nitong players ng Iriga, they're enjoying the game, they are composed. So ito, madadala nila to pagdating sa mga susunod nilang laro. And sabi mo nga, partner, nakita natin kanina with the lights of AJ Perea, ayan na, mukhang magpo-point guard na din. Kasi yun yung lineup, napakalaki.
Yun na nga, partner. Si Perea kicks it out. Turaton, short jumper. Misses the shot. Glory grabs the rebound. Glory attacking Christian Bunyag. Ayan na, si Perea steals the ball. Perea gives the ball to Orada and scores but misses the shot. Orada up. Orada and Cueto talaga hindi pa natatapos sa kanilang lambingan. And again, that is a good sportsmanship on the part of that two players talaga. Kumbaga, this is all part of the game. Ayan na si Bunyag, misses the gimme. Ayan na si Cueto. Cueto, tumama sa paa ang bola. At ang bola mapupunta sa Iriga.
Okay, so yun nga, partner, tumama sa paa niya. Wala pa kasi, hindi pa niya napipick up na bola. Nasa isip niya talaga ililay up na.
Ayan na si Bunyag against Cueto.
So nakikita na natin, partner, dito yung fatigue ng player ng Team Del Gallego. So yun nga, kulang sila given, pero kudos pa rin sa mga player na to. Still, lumalaban pa rin.
And syempre, on the brighter side, kumbaga, this is a good game para sa Del Gallego kasi facing a powerhouse Iriga City talaga. Yes, grabe naman yung honor na makalaban. And there is a man down on the floor. I guess it's Cueto. Kasi on that sequence, medyo nagkabanggaan sila ni Jason Orada. And I guess, sana naman, this is not a serious on the part of Cueto. Kasi alam naman natin, Coach, ayaw natin na magkaroon tayo ng mga injuries sa ating mga players talaga.
Yes, partner. So yan ang ayaw natin nakikita na nasasaktan yung mga players natin. Pero I think hindi naman siya masyadong malala. So I think i-review din ng ating mga officials yung nangyari dito. Kasi yung impact partner talagang napakalakas. Kasi kung makikita mo, ito talagang build nito ni Jason Orada is the beast talaga. So medyo sabi nga natin may konting kilitian sila nito ni Keto doon sa last sequence na yun.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na, tinitingnan na ating magigiting na referees. Siyempre, headed ng ating commissioner na si Commissioner Eman Faraon, who is very on hand sa ating tournament. And nga pala, partner, batiyan ko ang ating butihing commissioner na si Lloyd Rivera, who is watching sa ating game venue. Maraming salamat po, Commissioner Lloyd, sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating liga. And siyempre, andyan din ang kanyang kapatid na always very supportive na si Boss Ino Rivera. Magandang gabi sa inyo,
yes,
mga
po.
bossing.
Mga bossing, good evening po sa inyo. Hope you enjoy the game. So sila boss, lagi naman yung napaka-hands-on ng mga boss natin dito sa AKB Cup. So hello po sa inyo, boss.
And yan ang tinitingnan ng ating mga referees ang nangyaring sequence kanina against Orada and Cueto. Pero alamin natin kung ano magiging hatol ng mga referees.
Yes, partner. So medyo napalakas kasi ata yung bump ni Orada doon. So tiningnan nila kung may play pa ba sa game or sinadya. So hindi natin alam. So only referees can tell partner dito sa sequence na to.
Ayan na, partner. And so take a look, Jason Orada is shooting sa ating free throw line but misses the first one. And nga, partner, this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur is brought to you by Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And syempre, partner, kumbaga, yun naman talaga ang gusto ng ating liga, na to bring the basketball sa ating mga bayan-bayan para to witness and ma-showcase yung talents ng mga taga Camarines Sur when it comes to basketball.
Yes, partner. So we are very much thankful to Congressman Saldico and to the Ako Bicol Party List. Partner, this is a good avenue for those players na hindi masyadong nabibigyan ng exposure. And also not only for the players but for the coaches and for the officiating official, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga nabibigyan talaga ng magandang exposure because napapanood tayo sa ating mga social media platforms. Ayan na si Legaspi against AJ Perea. Legaspi, Christian Bunyag, grabe naman yung nagdo-double team. Isang 6'5", 6'6" guy. Ayan na si Raton, outlets to Marquez and Perea. Misses the gimme. Yun nga, partner, medyo na ilang siya dahil may tao sa ilalim, si Laudit. Swings the ball to Legaspi against Raton. Grabe, partner, yung communication ng Iriga City sa loob ng court.
Yes, partner. They are all switching, partner. So kahit sino pwede mag-switch. Kasi sa lineup na to talaga, partner, kahit naman sino talaga pwede i-switch nila. Kasi napakalalaki itong lineup nitong Iriga.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na nga si AJ Perea, who is, ayan na, Marquez for 3. Kaboom!
3 points, Joseph Marquez!
Grabe, partner, ang pinapakita ng guest player natin. Medyo alam ko, hindi pa yan ang full potential ng isang Marquez. Pero tingnan natin sa ating mga susunod na laro. And siyempre sa ating semifinals for sure kung ano ay may papakitang gilas ng ating mga guest players here.
Yes, partner. So yan, partner, pinapakita pa lang ni Joseph Marquez yung isang side niya, yung shooting side niya. Yung drive-in, wala pa.
Ayan na si Legaspi struggling to regain the possession. Legaspi, and naputukan ng 24-second shot clock ang Del Gallego. And what a defense on the part of Iriga City.
Yes, partner. So ayun na nga, sabi ko nga sa iyo, partner, a sign of respect pa rin itong Iriga sa Del Gallego. They are not backing up. Ay nahayaan nila itong Team Del Gallego na matuto dito sa game na to, partner.
Ayan na. And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. Grabe nga, partner, is pagpantay talaga. Is draining threes everywhere sa ating laro. Ayan na si Laudit against match taller Christian Bunyag, and daring to take the jumper, but misses the shot. Magpantay, grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Perea. Outlet sumagpantay, flies and scores for 2. Grabe, partner.
Grabe yun siya. Napansin mo ba siya nakakuha ng rebound, partner? Siya pa yung tumakbo sa transition.
Tama,
siya pa naka-layup. Grabe tong Berman magpantay, partner.
Grabe yung kondisyon ng isang magpantay. Ayan na si Legaspi. What a pass. Kaso, na-intercept ni Marquez. Ayan na si Glory with the Euro step and scores for 2.
Grabe. Yun ang bread and butter din ng Glory, partner.
Tama
Kanina pa ginagawa yan eh.
Grabe, partner. Nagulat ako. Raton pala can bring down the ball also. Kaya ayan na si Marquez again for 3. Grabe, nagulat ako. And ayan na si Legaspi against magpantay. Legaspi crosses over. Binigay kay Glory. Baseline jumper. Pineke. Glory with a short stab. It scores for 2. Ayan na si Raton bringing down the ball. Grabe naman. And gives the ball. Baliktad na. Ayan na. Magpantay. Corner 3. In and out. Rebound. Orada. No, Raton pala rather. Raton. And there is the front court power ng Iriga City.
Grabe, partner, yung pinapakita. Kahit lamang na tong Iriga, talagang they are pressing and pushing that ball.
And ayan na, partner. Talagang this is a case of I guess seconds to play na lang. And AJ Perea scores another bucket with 7 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Ayan na, Laudit attacks the defense of Iriga City but loses the ball, and that ends our third quarter with a score of 105-35 in favor of Iriga City.
Grabe, partner. Tingnan mo. Ang partner ito. Dito, partner, masasabi natin na matututo talaga itong Team Del Gallego dito sa larong ito. So, dapat, partner, talagang lilaruin pa rin nila itong game na to, partner. So ayun, partner. So, ito nga, again, tingnan natin kung ano naman ang magiging strategy dito sa fourth quarter ni Coach Ray Iraula, kung ano namang ang pyesa ang gagamitin niya. Gumamit na siya ng napakalalaki, gumamit na ng 4 guards with 1 big. So titingnan natin ngayon kung ano naman ang ipapasok niya dito sa fourth quarter, partner.
Ito naman, partner, pinasok, nakita ko na puro guards ang pinasok. Tingnan natin, and serving as a center or big man nila si Dagi Uleya, who is, alam naman natin, is a pure 2 guard. Kaya ayan, partner, kung ano, it is a luxury sa having a good lineup talaga, partner.
And also having that good lead, partner.
Tama. And ayan na, si Legaspi against the pesky Tres Reyes. And para sa ating mga leading scorer sa ating laro, si Orada again powering his wheel, and that, grabe naman. Orada with 21 points and Vernon magpantay with 19 points. Ayan na si Tres Reyes, and on the part of Del Gallego, their lone bright spot na si Glory with 11 points, 8 rebounds, and 2 steals.
Yes, partner. So, yun nga, makikita natin, ito si Glory talagang lumalaban pa siya, partner.
Yes,
so,
tama
sabi
ka.
niya, sige, lalaruin ko lang to.
And ayan na si Cruz, attacking, gives the ball, and swings to Jock Bellarmino for 3. Kaboom! Ayan na, partner talaga. It is raining threes everywhere dito sa San Fernando Municipal Covered Court. And syempre, anticipating sa ating second matchup talaga, laban ng Kamaligan versus the home team na San Fernando.
Yes, partner. So that's why we're inviting all of you to watch that game. So magiging exciting yung matchup na yan, partner. But for now, nakikita natin tong Team Iriga versus Del Gallego, which Iriga is leading 110-35 ang score, partner. Talagang minamassacre, partner, itong Iriga.
Yan, tama ka dyan, partner. And sa ating mga late tuners, para naman, ayan na, si Jock Bellarmino steals the ball and scores for 2. Para sa ating mga late tuners, ako nga pala si John Bachiller, kasama ang aking partner.
Yes, partner, I'm Coach Paul Sepe. So you're enjoying this intense match up pa rin, partner, kahit ganito yung score. Grabe itong pinapakita nitong powerhouse na Team Iriga.
And speaking of intense, ayan si Glory, hindi tumitigil sa pag-score. Ayan na si Cruz, slams it up to Tino and scores the layup. And mga partner, by the way, yung Team Del Gallego is donning the white and green shorts para naman sa Iriga City. Sila ang nakasuot ng mga blue jerseys. Ayan na si Tino, almost a steal, but he was caught fouling number 10 na si Cueto and matatawagan ng personal foul.
Yes, partner. So, tingnan mo to, partner. Ito pa rin. Itong Iriga, they're playing man-to-man, first to fourth quarter. So, ito yung magandang bagay na ginagawa nitong Iriga in this game. Talaga. So, ayan na naman. Fast break na naman kay Bellarmino. Grabe tong line-up na to na nakapasok dito sa kakupunan ng Iriga City, partner.
Grabe, partner. This talaga Iriga is a powerhouse team. And syempre, very supportive ang kanilang mayor. And yung ibang mga bosses. Ayan na. Glory gives the ball to Legaspi against Dagi Olea. Gives the ball to Laudit. Short pass. Moto, short jumper. No good. Ayan na si Tres Reyes. Outlets to Dagi Olea with the layup. And a 2 points. Grabe, partner. I guess this is a walk in the park na. This is a whopping point lead. And very safe to say na talagang this game is in favor of Iriga City. But still, tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging kaganapan and yung mga adjustments ng Del Gallego come sa mga huling minuto ng ating laro.
Yes, partner. So kudos to this player, still fighting for their municipality. So yun naman, partner, na maganda dito, yung pangalan na nasa harap nila.
Tama ka dyan.
Yung pride. Kahit ganyan na lang yung lamang, they're still fighting for their home municipality.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kumbaga, yung pangalan sa dibdib ng mga jerseys nila, it's a privilege and honor talaga to represent yung mga city nila and municipalities sa ating liga. Ayan na si Bellarmino again, 1-on-1 against Motos with a one-legged jumper. Grabe naman yung partner.
Grabe, parang nagwa-one-on-one drill lang si Bellarmino dito, partner, sa larong ito. So,
and si Coach Ray nakatawa na. And hindi masyadong napagod ngayon si Coach Ray because napakaganda naging outing ng kanyang team. And ayun na.
Ngayon ko lang, partner, nakita si Coach Ray na halos nakaupo buong game.
Tama ka dyan. Ayun na si Glory. Top of the key 3. Air ball set. And naputukan rin sila ng 24-second shot clock. Ayun, naghahanap ng tinuturo ang kanilang assistant coach sa palitan ng kanilang mga players. Ganon nag-enjoy ngayon ang Iriga City because lamang sila 122 kontra 35. Ayan na si Tres Reyes. Sumisigaw, gives the ball to Cruz. Corner 3. In and out. Natapik pa rin ni Tino yung bola. Tino with the undergo stab. Mintis. Ayan na. Si Laudit humihi ng foul sa ating mga referees, but hindi natawagan. Ayan na si Tres Reyes. Gives the ball to Dagi. Swings the ball to Bellarmino for 3. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Bellarmino. And saving the ball is Tino. And scoring for 2.
Ayan, partner. Yun ang kagandahan nitong Iriga team na to. Kahit lamang na lamang sila, talagang they're playing their ass off pa rin, partner. So talaga, gusto talaga nila na ipakita siguro sa mga makakalaban nila na ito kami, Team Iriga.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, this is a statement game for Iriga City. And this is a warning again sa mga teams na makakalaban talaga nila sa mga susunod na laro sa ating second round of eliminations.
Yes, partner. So ayan, hindi pa rin talaga nagbaback down tong Team Iriga, partner. They're playing man pa rin. So ayan, rebound ni Tres Reyes. Ayan na naman yung mga guard combo itong Iriga. To Cruz for 2. Nice layup for Ivan Cruz. So again, Team Del Gallego is still fighting for their municipality here at San Fernando Covered Court. Ayun na naman si Tino. Cruz for 3.
Misses the shot, pero yun na nga, partner. Ayan na si Laudit. Cueto was guarded.
Number 14, Ivan Cruz. Third personal foul for team foul.
Ayan, partner, binigay sa akin ng ating magiting na writer na si Iris talaga yung bigatin, kumbaga yung top 10 teams na nakapasok sa ating second round of elimination para sa bracket A. Ang Lupi, Milaor, Naga, Sangay, and completing the 5 is Napwa. And on the bracket B naman is...
Yes, partner, for our bigatin bracket B, partner, we have Del Gallego. Itong naglalaro ngayon, partner. And the second game, San Fernando and Kamaligan, Goa in this Team Iriga, partner.
Yun na nga, partner. Kumbaga wala tayong tapon dito sa ating second round of eliminations. Kaya tingnan natin talaga and abangan kung anong magandang kaganapan ang mangyayari sa ating bigatin quarterfinals.
Yes, partner. So, tune in kayo mga kasurog kasi yung second game natin will be the home team playing against Team Kamaligan.
Yun na nga, partner. Nakikita ko na medyo lumulobo na ang crowd para to cheer ang ating home team na San Fernando. Nakikita ko sila na nakangiti at ready na mag-cheer para sa kanilang team. Ayan na si Balanlayos rather. Attacking, ayan na si Ivan Cruz, who is a steady point guard. And ayan na si Glory against Tino. Glory, effortless na tinira. Because, partner, alam naman natin si Glory since the first quarter, yung intensity na talagang mataas. Ngayon, medyo nalobat na. At, syempre, he is the lone bright spot sa ating Team Del Gallego.
Yes, partner. So, nakikita na natin yung fatigue. But pag may opportunity pa rin sila, talagang they are taking those opportunity and taking those shots.
Tama ka dyan, si Ambert draining threes but misses the shot. Si Cruz swings the ball. Tres Reyes. Jock Bellarmino for corner 3. Irons it. Ayan si Bellarmino. But he was caught dancing in the wrong song. Kaya natawagan ng traveling si Jock Bellarmino. Yun na nga, partner, with just 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto. Lamang ang Iriga City. Yan na si Glory. Ginugulo pa ng dalawang pesky guards. Yan na si Glory, muntik na malusutan. And grabe, partner, ang isang Glory talaga. Despite the lead, matapang na matapang pa rin na inaatake ang guards ng Iriga City.
Yes, partner. So talagang ito, kudos to this player, partner, talagang nag-i-enjoy din siya dito sa larong ito. So, with the lone bright spot for his team, talaga kudos to this player.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, yun na. Kakatapos lang ata ng misa kanina, napansin ko dito sa ating venue. Pwede nila silang pumunta dito sa San Fernando Municipal Covered Court to witness the game against Kamaligan versus the home team. Yun nga, partner, San Fernando, magandang laban yun for sure kasi meron tayong 6-man dito na bit-bit ng ating home team na San Fernando.
Yes, partner. So we're inviting all of you po na pumunta na dito. Kung hindi naman sa ating mga social media page, you can watch the Ako Bicol Cup live there. So ayan, Tino ngayon with the ball to Tres Reyes. So this is a 4-guard combination, or rather a 5-guard combination for Team Iriga, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ang napansin ko pinakamalaki lang, si Tino, who I guess stands was 5'10", 5'9". And Legaspi attacking the defense of Iriga and scores for 2. And si Hermoso kicks the ball to Cruz, corner 3. Misses the shot, Cruz again. Yan na si Tres Reyes. Drains the corner 3. As of my count, meron na siyang 4 na 3-pointers sa larong ito.
Yes, partner. So yan ang paborito ni Jeyo Tres Reyes, yung corner shot na yan.
And again, si Kenneth Glory, hindi pa tapos na mag-serve sa kanyang team. And hats off to this guy for fighting against this mighty Iriga team. Ayan na si Villarmino, swings the ball to Cruz, corner 3. No good, rebound ni Tino. And scores the layup for 2. With 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Ayan na si Tres, ginugulo pa si Glory. And grabe partner, I guess safe to say na panalo na.
Yes partner, very safe to say na panalo na ang Iriga City with this margin partner. So
we'll just wait for the final buzzer na tumunog, and siyempre abangan natin na siyempre ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game. Marami tayong candidates partner. Siguro mahihirapan ang ating statistician and table officials kung sino hihiranging best player sa Team Iriga. Sa dami na magagaling.
Partner. Halos lahat ng
nag-contribute
sa lineup ng Team Iriga partner.
Ayan na, grabe naman si Jock Villarmino, talagang crashing for the rebound. Ayan si Cruz against Legazpi, misses the gimme, and Cruz again collects the rebound and scores for 2. Ayan na, with under 22 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Laudit takes the 3, misses the shot. Balanlayos grabs the rebound but in and out. Sayang naman ng partner. Ayan na, si Hermoso. And I guess hindi na nila ititira, showing respect to their opponents. And yun na nga partner, ladies and gentlemen, that ends our ball game with the score of 139-48 in favor of this mighty Iriga squad.
Yes partner, so pinakita talaga ng Iriga kung sino ang mas experience, sino ang mas malaki dito sa larong ito partner against Del Gallego. So as you can see, we can see some highlights of the game partner. Pero partner, kudos to this Del Gallego team. Nothing to be ashamed of. A game is a game. For Iriga, a win is a win. So sabi nga natin, wala naman natalo partner eh. May natuto lang.
Yes partner, wala talagang natalo. At natuto tayo for watching this game. And syempre, natuto tayo na meron na tayong ulit tayong on-cam. Medyo kinakabahan, pagpasensyahan nyo na kami. Pero for sure sa mga susunod na laro, talagang papagandahin pa at lalong magiging mas maganda ang ating production. Syempre, headed yan ang ating butihing director ng IMBC, si Sir Christian Carleja, na very hands-on and napakabait. And syempre, yung staff and crew ng IMBC, and si Miss Russell, and si Sir RJ, magandang hapon sa gabi sa inyo mga sir. And syempre partner, kung meron kang batiin mo na.
Yes partner, so batiin natin yung mga first yung mga nanonood sa atin sa live. Magandang gabi sa inyo mga kasurog, and also to my family sa Iriga, mga aking wife na nasa Dubai na si Mara Sepe, ang aking dalawang anak na si Hera and Hara, of course to all the supporters and fans of Ako Bicol Cup. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Siyempre, maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang pagsuporta ng ating liga. And ayan, nakikita ko na partner, ang mga San Fernando fans na nag-aabang sa ating second game. Abangan po natin yan. And siyempre, batiin ko na rin ang aking mga anak na si Franco Miguel and si Juan Carlos. Magandang gabi sa inyo mga anak. Pauwi na si Daddy mamaya. And siyempre, while waiting sa ating kasurog, best player of the ball game, and batiin ko ulit ang ating butihing commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera ng magandang gabi, Commissioner. And syempre, ayan na, nakita ko na kasama ni Cassandra ang ating best player of the ball game, pero di ko muna sasabihin dahil yun na nga partner.
Yes nga, ang dami nga nating pinagpilian kanina partner who will be the best player of this game. So tingnan natin partner kung sino talaga ang ating magiging kasurog player of the game dito sa larong ito, laban ng Del Gallego and Iriga City partner.
And again partner, bago ang lahat, magpakilala ulit tayo. Ako nga pala ulit si John Bachiller, bringing you this ball game together with my partner.
Yes, I'm Coach Paul Sepe, and I'm very thankful to be here and see you mamaya sa ating second game. For sure, that will be an exciting ball game. Kamaligan versus San Fernando,
Tama
partner.
ka dyan, partner. It's an honor and privilege to be part of this panel. And syempre, yung mga butihing cameraman natin na walang sawang tumututok sa ating mga kuha. Syempre. And yun na, yung mga highlights ng ating laro, partner. Grabe yung inumpisahang 3-point barrage ni Tres Reyes sa corner. And syempre, yung scoring big man ng Iriga. And syempre maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors, BCB's Bay, Cagraray Islands, Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Ellis, and syempre yung Hotel Venecia. And yun nga, partner, while waiting sa ating kasurog best player of the ball game, magandang gabi talaga sa lahat ng nanonood sa ating venue. And yun nga, partner, puntahan na natin si Cassandra para sa ating kasurog best player of the ball game. Cassandra, take it away.
Ayan, right here beside me is the Kasorog best player of the game, Jason Orada, jersey number 2 from Team Iriga with 21 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 2 steals. Congratulations, Jason, for being the Kasorog best player of the game, and congratulations as well for your team's first win tonight. Now that we are in the quarterfinals already, for sure, mas lalong dumagdag yung pressure na nararamdaman mo as a player, and also now that you are awarded as the Kasorog best player of the game. With that, aside from the team trainings, practices, and advices that you are receiving from your coaches, ano ba mga ginagawa mo personally and as a player individually para fully prepared ka every time may game kayo?
Every pinapasok ako ng coaches ko, ang nasa isip ko lang, go hard, and sundin yung mga tinuturo ng mga coaches namin, yun lang.
Ayan, we are currently live. Baka may gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan. Go ahead, this is your chance.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay God kasi safe kami nakapunta rito sa venue na to, and kila Boss Solomon ngo, and kay Mayor Rex Oliva, saka sa mga family and relatives ko sa Ocampo. Yun lang.
Ayan, thank you very much, and once again, congratulations. This is the end of our first game tonight. We will be right back for our second and last game. Team San Fernando versus Team Kamaligan. We thank you for supporting Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.